In this video, I will show you how to remove a System.io watermark or the System.io logo from any funnel or website that you have built in System.io. So the logo I'm talking about is this one right here that says powered by System.io. If you want to go and remove this, what you want to go and do is open up the funnel or website where it's on and click on edit page on the page where you see it. Now from there it opens up your funnel editor. Now you can see you cannot really click on it and remove it here. Instead you want to go to settings here, and then when you scroll all the way down in the left menu you will see affiliation. So this is an affiliate badge, meaning if someone goes onto your funnel and clicks on the powered by System.io, they start using it and maybe they start paying for a subscription, you will earn 60% commissions. But if you just don't want to have this, you will need to upgrade to a pay plan yourself. So after you upgrade to a pay plan, and their pay plans start at just $17 per month, so it doesn't have to be too expensive, but from there you can just untick this box and then this right here will go away. So that's how you can remove the System.io watermark or logo from your funnels. This also works with blogs, sites, anywhere you see it. And if you see this right here in the bottom, built with System.io, you can always remove this even on the free plan by just hovering over it and clicking on delete and OK, then it will be gone. So that section you can always delete. It's just this one right here you need to upgrade for, then settings, scroll down and turn it off. So now you know how to remove the System.io watermark. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.